everyone, it's Special. Welcome back to another video. This week we are doing Vegeta Skull. I'll talk more about it into the video, so make sure to keep tuned. But before we get into it, well, we are into the video, but I would like to say is make sure to comment, like and subscribe. Make sure to click on the bell to keep up to date with the videos and stuff, and make sure to check my social medias for behind the scenes and my work in progress of this artwork, and many more to come. This week I decided to do Vegeta because I thought Vegeta would be really cool in his skull. But besides that is that it kind of looks like a Terminator more than a skull, in my opinion. Which is still cool, but it wasn't my intention to make it like that. So the reason why Vegeta looked like that is because I tried to do it in that Dragon Ball Z style, if you know what I mean, and how I think it would look like. But I don't think it looked that right, but it was still really good to look at, and I still enjoyed doing it. I also did something different, is that I use a yellow fine liner to do the hair, and I thought it made a really good idea to do that, and I think it did a really good job, like making the hair look really cool and stylish. But when I went off camera, I decided to use a black pencil and just did the line part, and I did really well in that, and yeah, pretty awesome. Also, some part in the video I did something is I forgot to record the skin tone part of it, so it's missing. Sorry about that. Because I was trying to look for a colour for this drawing, and I couldn't find it, so I paused it for a bit and used torch to look round, see where it is. So that's what I did. So yeah, but I really do like this artwork today. I think it's like really cool. Also, one of my best Vegeta artwork up to date. Like, I think this is like compared to when I did the Venom Vegeta. If you haven't seen that one, I'll probably leave a link to the video around here somewhere, so go check it out, or it'll be in my playlist called Anime Art. I think it should be in there if you want to check it out. Yeah. With this, I use my usual stuff. I use my pro markers, my Faber-Castell colour pencils, and my extra pencils I've got the names for. And I use my, what kind of paper is it? I think it's an A4 sketchbook. I used a mechanical pencil to do this, and I have used reference for Vegeta as well as a skull to create this artwork, which is pretty cool and everything. I mean, I really like the detail what I put into the artwork as well. I mean, it looks really cool. I mean, how much detail I put in, how much time I put in, and it looks really cool. And I'm still quite amazed how good it is. And yeah, really cool. But further on in the video, you see me doing like the background. I wish I could have done the background a little more better, in my opinion, as I thought that was a bit lacking. But it still looks really cool. Also, I tried something new with the background, trying to make a 3D effect for the blood drips. You see later on when I made like a frame for Vegeta kind of thing. And it looked alright, but I'm thinking like I should add more pencils to it to make it more 3D. But I think it still looked really cool in that. So yeah. For my next one, I'm going to try to do Jiraiya from Naruto. But I'm thinking I might turn Jiraiya into like a zombie-like kind of crossover. Would you like to see that one? So make sure to stay tuned for next week. Also, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so then you can see when it comes out. Hopefully it'll be out next Monday. I changed my dates around because I was a bit late for the last one, and I think my dates just changed around. But that's alright. I mean, Monday's alright. I mean, it's the beginning of the week. But yeah. Okay, I think I'm done talking. Oh yeah, also I've been using my pastels as well. Sorry about that. Pastels to make the background, make the aura, because I think it does a lot more better than my colour pencils. But I wish I could have some pro markers which I could make it more the aura a lot more better. But that was really cool. I mean, yeah. But I might do like Goku in the future as well. So would you like to see Goku skull? But I probably wouldn't make it like I did with Vegeta. I'll probably change it up a bit. But yeah. And I think I'm done talking today. I'll let you guys and girls enjoy this video. And listen to free copyright music from the store, which is free and free to listen. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to keep safe out there. Make sure to stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell. And make sure to check my social medias out. Peace.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through.